Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Greg. Hey, today I just wanted to go over how to use your horizontal ray tool in Forex.com. So it's going to be a quick video going over how to set that up at your support and resistance areas, and we'll just keep it moving from here. So first thing you want to do is go down to this little second area right here, click to the right and scroll down. It'll be the fourth one down, horizontal ray tools. Click on it. As you can see, I have a blue color right here for the line. We'll just click on it because I like my resistance area to be red. Click on it, and then we'll just do that. We'll just move it over to the left, and we'll set it right about there. And if we want to make sure we don't have any like gaps in between the line, we can just move it up so we can see. All right, no gaps. And then at the same time, if we wanted to actually make the lines thicker, we can just by going over here. So this is the width. Lines got thicker. I like to have a skinnier line and keep it small. And right here, if you want to change the way the lines look, there you go. And we'll do this one as well. I typically like my lines to be solid. And at the same time, we'll move on to locking this in place so that we don't move it all over the place when we want to be working on our charts. So we'll lock it in place. We also can click right here to the side, right click on format, and we can write in text. So you have to have show text click, you have to have show price click, so it shows the price right around here. Show text, we're going to type in resistance line, and right now it says left bottom, but I like mine to be at the top, and we're going to click on OK. And as you can see, we have resistance line right here. We're going to go ahead and do our support line as well. Same thing, just click on it. It's red right now. We're going to click on blue because I like my supports to be blue. And then we're going to click down here. Now you can see that it pretty much copied the resistance line in terms of your text. And the only thing you have to do is right click, format, and change that. We're going to change it to support. And in this case, instead of being left top, we're going to go left bottom. We're going to click on OK, and we're actually already where we want to be. So as you can see, you see your indicator right here pretty much showing you your price range, 1.19513 being your support. Your resistance line is set up at 1.23461. So now you have something to actually work with these numbers. And this will be your resistance line, your high resistance area. This will be your low resistance area. And you actually have a host of other tools that you can use to kind of like fill the gaps in. But I just want this to be a quick video showing you guys how to set up your support and resistance lines. And before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and right click real quick. And remember what I told you guys, you can change the width. Once again, I like mine to be small. And you want to go ahead and lock it in place so these lines won't get moved when you're putting your other tools in place and setting up different lines, angles, and so on and so forth. All right, guys, hopefully you learned something from this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Guys, we really appreciate your help. Bye.